leader. Okay, how to make the leader. That leader means support the title, then north arrow, scale bar, how to make this other item, especially the leader. Today we will learn. That's why
The
you
last
need to
class of the
wait.
problem স্যার ফিচার্স থেকে পলিগন তো হচ্ছে না স্যার, অনেক খুঁজলাম স্যার, কোনো ইয়া পাচ্ছি না।
Okay. Because of listen. Why it is not happening? So many problems there. I will give the solution so that you can. Okay.
ওকে স্যার।
Don't worry. Just wait. I will give the exact solution. No problem.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম স্যার। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম স্যার। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
My voice.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes.
For starting class, I am just open some name last class who are actually absent. Okay, please try to check. I request everyone open your project. Open your project. Before that, I am just a minute, print out. Just take a print out. Now listen, someone are facing some problem. We'll go there. Before that, how to make the layout view. Please, everyone, My request to everyone, view, go to the view and layout view. Go there. View, layout view. Please go there. View, layout view. Okay. This is you can make it bigger. Okay. Then you will open your everything. Uncheck. Use it as a placement. Okay. Please listen. If you look at your this item, especially your JPG, the first item, please look at the screen. Layout view. When you open the layout view, there is another option. This is the another option. One is the data view and another is the layout view. Right side below, look at these things. My mouse cursor. Where is my mouse cursor? Look at it. So this is the layout view. First, this is the layout view item. It will show you, please, this zoom. You can increase and decrease the image, but this item help you to show you the item clearly, not changing any item. Suppose this zoom in. Suppose if you click here, you can see it clearly. And again, I'm just click here. Whole page. Look, it will go to the original side. But if you select this zoom, you can increase the map. Suppose if you zoom it, it will automatically go to the out of the screen. Look, out of the screen. Full extent. So this is your screen. So you can move it right side, left side, so many things you can. So first you need to fix your image. How much you want to increase, you can. This is the screen. Look, this is the layout. If you want to move your screen, you can. But this pen, it will move your all the item inside there. Clear the concept, yes or no? Tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose as for example, you need to give the title. Look, this is the area of title. So you want to see these things clearly. Okay. So that's why you need to click it, layout, zoom, and make it like that. Now, okay. Now the insert. Look at these things. Insert. That is the item or title. Insert. Insert. Click it. Now, suppose what happened? Now, suppose this is the title. Please listen. The title you need to write from this road map, Upojela. Okay, Dinajpur. Just write it road map. Suppose as road. Okay. So this is your road. So you need to move it here. Because unchecked it, this is live. Double click it. Then you need to delete it. and write it the whole paragraph. Enter, then Upojila. If a spelling mistake, please inform me. Okay. After that, you need to just okay it. Then it will come. If you unchecked it, the title is here. So if you want to edit it, double click it. Then you need to change symbol. Change symbol. Then which type of font you want, from there you can select it. Suppose if you want to Time New Roman as for example. Okay. Suppose the font is 20 or less than that. Okay. Then apply. Left side, center, right side, justification. So we are using the center. Apply and okay. So look at these things. This is your title. So please, everyone, practice the title. Click the title and okay. We finished it.
Sir, we need to do this now.
What happened?
Sir, now we need to do this now, sir. Because of the internet problem, I
Yes.
cannot hear it. Okay, sir.
Title. Go to the title. Go to the title. Double click it. Go to the title. Double click it. Delete this item and write your title. The upper side there is a title. Your map title. Write it. And if you want to change it, change symbol. Okay. Write something here. Then change symbol.
Okay, sir. Give us some time, sir.
Okay. So title.
Hello, sir.
Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, my Upojala picture is in landscape. So what I
No problem. No problem. Make it.
sir, when I just go to the layout view, sir, that time it is so small in the middle portion.
Okay. Clear it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, when I go to the layout view, sir, my map is come over to the place at a side, sir. How I drag it to the center, sir?
Just
You just
full extent. Full extent. Before starting, you need to use the tick. Don't forget it.
I have already used tick, sir. If you permit me, sir, to show or to turn on my camera, sir, you will understand, sir. May I turn on my camera, sir?
Okay, turn on.
it will look like this, sir. Okay, that is it will comes like that, this, sir.
Okay, so how to, okay, I understand. Okay, please, okay, listen. If it is like that, so you can use it. Listen, this image. Someone image is too small. Listen on thing. Someone image like that, then you can understand. Your image is like that, as for example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you need to use this zoom in from the left side and make your image as much as you can. Okay, as much as you can. And repeat it again. Unchecked it. This is your original shape. So you need some time to here. So you can increase it. Look what I am doing. I am increasing, but there is no place. That's why I need to decrease it. Now clear? Because I need some areas here. So by using this zoom in and zoom out, you can decrease and increase. Please apply it. We have only 1 minute. So please again enter here. Again.
Okay, sir.
Everyone enter again.
Sir, how to get out from layout view, sir?
Just click this thing. This is the areas, or go to the view and data.
Data view. Yes, sir.
Data view and layout. Same process. Or you can use the below. Look at this thing. This is the layout view. This is the data.
Okay. Let's
Okay. So next item, listen, the map. There is two things. One is the north arrow, another is the scale bar. If I just make it look, this zoom, actually it will help you to show the screen clearly, but it will not displace your map. This layout zoom, but this zoom displays your map. This zoom. So I am just using the layout. So look at this thing. So again, insert, then north arrow. So I am just using, suppose, north arrow 1. Just for example. You can use it, or insert north arrow, just use this thing or this thing. Okay, then okay. So this is your north arrow, so you can shift it here, as for example. Next is scale bar. Scale bar. Insert scale bar. So you can use anything like that. Then you need to make it small sometimes. Okay, make it small sometimes, don't worry. Or sometimes you need to, okay, scale bar. Next important thing, so please, these two things, scale bar and north arrow, you can easily, but the important thing is listen. Listen how to edit it, how to make it. Okay? So please, I am going to the directly the listen part. And when you zoom it for the layout, you will click the whole page, then it will automatically show you the full figure. Look. Okay. Now listen. I will do the listen edit beside the map, then I will put it here. So what I need to do, this time you need to check all the items. Okay. And JPG should be unchecked. So here is something is unnecessary. That's why you need to edit it and remove it. All type of unnecessary things you need to. Then again I am going to the legend part and pull it. Next, insert legend. Click it. And look at these things: location, road, boundary, and another things. I think river is somehow here is missing.
Yes, sir.
So I am.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think
I don't have any river in my area, sir. In Sodor,
Okay, that's fine. Okay, no problem. If not, that is okay. So insert legend. Then these three things, just next. You need to give time. Next, if you give the border, legend, frame, just listen how to make it. We will do it later. So this is your legend part. Okay, all the things is now okay. So how to arrange it? We will learn. But how to edit it first we need to. So I am just using the legend. So I am just make it bigger so that you can understand. So how to edit it? How to edit it? Okay. Edit it. So this time you need to select by using this thing, select it. Okay, select. You need to convert it. What I am doing, just look at these things. Right button click, convert to graphic. Right button click, convert to graphic. So first you need to listen, make the everything, right button click, convert to graphic. First thing. Second thing, right button click, ungroup. Okay, look at these things. Everything is now ungrouped. So unnecessary this value, select it and delete it. Suppose this name you need to change it. Unnecessary thing. Look what I am doing now. Unnecessary thing. Okay. Suppose this is the location. On the basis of your legend, you will suppose as for example this thing. As for example, you need to change it. Default the suppose. So you need to again right button click, ungroup it. Then double click it. Look. Double clicked it and D should be okay. So again you need to select by control, right button click, group it. Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose as for example I am going to the again the zoom part. Just a minute. Full extent. This is your legend. So you need to legend part, you will put it here. Look. Here. Then district, as for example, on the basis of your, you will put it here, one by one. If district, this area's administrative headquarter. Suppose if you need to any item to write here, so you will use this text to write something here. And you need to move this item, how to move it? Okay, how to move it? Just, I am just full extend and suppose this item I need to move it here like that. Okay. So rearrange it. If you need to small the symbol, you know, the symbol size should be small. Again you need to do it. Look at this thing, ungroup. This is your symbol. Double click it. This is now, it's a ungroup. The size, how to decrease it. Look at the screen. Clear my message? Please, I think I will give you sometimes. I'm just busy with just something. Please practice it. I'm just coming. Practice it, please, everyone. Practice it. So the process of edit, are you listening my voice? The process of edit, that is first you need to right button click. I am just doing this thing again. Listen, look at this thing. Then you will understand. So this is your listen. So before starting these things, okay, right button click and convert to graph. This is your first step. So what you need to do? Right button click, convert to graphic. Okay. Then right button click, ungroup. Then individual every item, you need to edit it or you need to ungroup it. Suppose if you need to edit it, if you double click it, nothing is here. So, but if you again right button click, ungroup, then if you double click it, you can increase and decrease the symbol. If you need to edit it, double click it, then you can change it. After finishing these things, this and that, you can group it. Okay? Clear my message to everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please, my request to everyone, you will follow my instruction and put everything here. What you will do, you will just everything put it here and every item you will put this area. I think clear my message today. So next class you will show it to, because your submission of full project is 24. Your submission date, full project submission. That's why
Sir, is that the
24 April.
is that the last thing to add, sir? The legend.
Yes, listen, add it. What happened? Which type of problem you are facing? Tell me. The
So
legend.
if we add legend, if we finish the legend, sir, then we can submit it to you, sir, right?
No. There is some work is left. We will learn it later. But before that, we need to finish this part. And your particulars, your name, your mobile phone, your ID, which department, all things you will use this text A, and you will write it here. Okay, you will write it your particular here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am just calling your name one by one. Please respond. First section E. Alvin Nidal.